Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is shop update day. I was supposed to be doing it last weekend, but I'm doing it right now just because I ended up getting ill and I ended up testing positive for COVID and all sorts. But yeah, now I'm over it. I'm testing negative and we are good to go. I haven't been in here until now, and yeah, everything's ready to rumble. It was ready to rumble last week, but I didn't want to put the shop live if I couldn't ship things, and now I'm back and I'm ready to get packing and shipping. So yeah, shop update day is here. So if you see this video, the shop is now live, so I will have that link down in the description, and as always I'm just going to run you through the new things that I have made, and that's going to be live on the shop so you can see it kind of like a bit up close and see all the things that I've been creating and yeah, have for sale. So the first things is starting off with this box, which is the one that I usually start off with, which is my charm box. I haven't got that many charms for this shop update because this one here was kind of a mini one, just one that I wanted to do themed, and the theme of this shop update was popcorn and little bunnies. So I'll show you the print first of all. This is the art print. It's a glossy art print, and this one here is going to be live obviously with the shop update. It's pink and blue with these two little bunnies on. So these little bunnies here, I'm calling the pink one Sugar, and then the blue one's going to be called Sody. I absolutely love them. It's got little popcorns on, so cute, just love it. The art print is glossy, and I also have sticker sheets and stuff like that to show you, but we'll get into that a little bit later on when I show the boxes and stuff, because I do have a couple of bundle boxes on the shop update as well. So the charms that I made obviously to go with that theme were the popcorn bunnies themselves. So we have the pink one here and then a little blue one. Look at these are so cute. These are made in a different way that I usually do them. They have a little heart, little paws on the bottom, little tail on the back, but the way that I actually made these was actually sculpted them, then I kind of like actually sanded them and sculpted them down like with a sander and stuff. I may show the process because I did film that, but yeah, absolutely love them. They had the little popcorn kernels there, they have little heart noses and stuff, and I absolutely just adore those. See, I've got pink ones and I've got some blue ones. Like the last shop update, I have a couple of these ones again because I really enjoyed making them. So we've just got like a little pink one, a little purple one, and a little blue one there, which I had in the last shop update with the kind of coordinating bows. But I did also make pink ones this time with the darker pink bows on. I just love them. They're just like little ones. They are all glittery and stuff, and yeah, there's those little guys. Aren't they adorable? Those are probably like my favorite things. I then have these little popcorn charms, so like the popcorn buckets. On one side they have a little face on like so, and then the other side they just have this little bit that does say popcorn on there in white. It's quite hard to see on camera, but it is that in person. Yeah, those are all just hand painted. Again, they're nice and glittery, love those. And then in one of the bundle boxes, the bigger one with the charm and a keychain, and I'll get into that in a second, I have these exclusive little popcorn kind of kernel charms. Just love those. They have glitter all over, super sparkly, super glittery, and yeah, just adore them as well. In this box I do have my little macaron charms, my Sanrio ones. Part 2's coming for that, but I'm keeping those for the time being. Might clear them out eventually, but for now they're mine. Another thing for this shop update, which are brand new, are these keychains. I spent an absolute, well, ages making these, but they are just stars. I think they're so nice, all just pastel colours, and they all have like shrimps on. Look, but I've got a pink one, a purple one, and a blue one. Then on the back they just say sugar shrimp. So cute. But yeah, look at them, aren't they so cute? They kind of almost look like resin, but they are obviously polymer clay and painted. And I actually put these different findings on them this time. I bought these especially for these because I thought that would be really fun, just like giant lobster class, kind of like what I put on the charms, but they're big ones. Look, clip it on anything you want. But yeah, love them. I think my favourite is probably this purple one. Just adore that. All the pastel colours are so cute all together. So yeah, there's those chunky dunky keychains. Like, look how chunky they are, so chunky. And I also have listed the little bubble tea guy that I made in a video recently because I thought I love him so much, but to be honest, I have so many keychains and stuff that I'm probably not going to use him. It took me ages to make, but the exact one that I made in the video is going to be on my shop. I love him so much. Just made of wool felt, and yeah, there's that little guy. Talking about plush keychains, I did actually make some popcorns to go in a big bundle box, and they look like so. They took me forever because I had to like paint all of the felt lines on and stuff, and it's done using like a really high quality screen printing ink, but I painted it, and yeah, they're kind of like rubbery almost. And then we've got the vinyl on there, we've got the little face on, all hand sewn. Just adore them. So that's going to be in the big box along with a pin. So the pin that's going to be in the big box is this bunny pin. So there's that, just a little bunny head pin, same way as the little bunny is made. As always, comes with the rubber back and the metal back in there, and then obviously one of these charms as well. I said that kind of just a bit before. As well as in the bundle box, you're going to get the art print. Love that, look how nice that is, so glossy and nice. Sticker sheets is another thing that's going to be in this shop update. So this here are the mini sticker sheets. These are going to be available to purchase separately as well, and all of these little dudes are stickers. As you can see, they do peel off nicely. We've got a couple bunnies on there, little popcorn bucket, little popcorn cars themselves, and yeah, I really like that. These again are super glossy. Then for the bigger die cut stickers, I have two, and those are the bunnies. So we've got Sugar and Sody again, and these ones are holographic kind of sparkle ones, and then obviously one's in the popcorn bucket, one's by itself just holding a popcorn kernel. And I love them so much. I also love the little belly button kind of details they put on there. I really like those. So this is all coming in the bundle box. Look at all these goodies, so cute. So I do also have just like the pin one. So the pin one comes with the flat mail. You can also buy all of these kind of 4 pieces here, and it'll become free shipping worldwide, because I'll just go through it as a flat mail, so that's always fun, just like a February flat mail. And yeah, you can also get the kind of bunnies in a little combo like so, and you'll save a bunch of money that way. Love that. In regards to other pins, the only other new pin that I have for this shop update is the popcorn bucket, like this, kind of like the charm there, just with the face and the popcorn written on one side. The other new product that I have for this shop update is, drum roll please, some earrings. So I actually only have 3 sets of these because these took me absolutely forever to make. So we have some dangler earrings here. They have a popcorn bucket at the top with the popcorn kind of kernel down at the bottom. They're painted stripes and stuff on both sides, and yeah, I adore them. The findings themselves are just silver plated because I've never done earrings before. I don't know if anyone's even gonna want them, but I loved how they turned out. I made a pair for myself and I thought, why not? So I've made 3 sets for this shop update, and they are going to be on there as well. So I think that's pretty much everything brand new on there. You'll obviously be able to go and see yourselves all of the bits. I love these little plushies, but I won't be making them ever again because let me tell you something, I think these took me around about 5 hours each to make, which sounds absolutely ridiculous because they are so small. But when it came to like actually like painting all of these stripes on, making the little popcorn bits, hand sewing it, hand sewing all of these bits on, stuffing it, putting all the face on, hand stitching the face on, because as you can see they are completely hand stitched, they just took me hours and hours and hours. So I've only made 5. I'm only ever going to make 5, and yeah, that's that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know which was your favourite new piece from this shop update, and I am going to go again. So hopefully you'll have a fantastic week, and I'll see you very soon for another video.